pumpkin spice pasta. And we ain't going easy on the spice. Pumpkin needs spice. Chilies for spice. New Mexican reds. If you can't get these, get guajillos. Toasting chilies brings out their flavor. Of course, you need to hydrate them to make them pliable. It's pumpkin season, so we're using fresh. And I love the texture of kabocha. Red curry has that same texture. In this case, we're not roasting this whole. The idea with red curry squash is to braise it. Salt and olive oil. That's it. That's all this is going to need. But this squash is going to need flavor later. So we're going to roast some garlic along with it. These are going into a 400-degree convection oven. Doesn't take long for that squash to cook. The seeds are unedible. But the reason I love red curry squash is that skin is edible. And by braising it, not only did we make it tender, but that orange skin is going to give this sauce a nice color. Roasted garlic. Who doesn't love roasted garlic? You want every bit, including that last one on the end, the dark one, because color is flavor. Don't forget the spice. Some of that chili water. A good blender helps. How smooth can you go? I'd say that's pretty smooth. Always remember, if you don't salt your water real good, your pasta's not going to taste like nothing. And use good quality pasta. The bronze-dyed, slow-dried stuff is the best. One type of garlic is okay for some people. Not for me. And I'm not doing one kind of chili either. We're adding more heat. That squash puree is the sauce. That's what I call pumpkin spice. This sauce is pumpkin spice and pasta water. That's it. That's the whole sauce. I like to take the pasta out just before it's done and finish it in the sauce. The color of that curry squash along with the chili, f***ing beautiful. All right, maybe a touch of nutmeg at the end. There, you happy? Pumpkin spice. You know what else this needs? Sage, but not just regular sage, pineapple sage. It's more delicate. A whole bunch of it, julienned. Pumpkin spice pasta. Look at the color of that squash. This isn't done until it gets some palm though. And don't forget that crispy sage.
It's a pretty festive little dish, isn't it? Looks like pumpkin.
Whew!
Yeah, that definitely has spice to it. It's not the pumpkin spice you're thinking of.
It's f***ing hot.
Pumpkin spice and pumpkin chili spice.
This may not be the kind of pumpkin spice you're thinking of, but it's going to be the one you crave, I promise.
This is really good. What a great fall dish.